Everyone thinks the best-selling bumper plate set is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Cap Barbell 20-pound bumper plate. The Cap Barbell Rubber Olympic bumper plate caught my eye immediately, especially with its price tag of just $29.99. If you want a decent entry-level option for your home gym, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its construction. Made from a mix of virgin and recycled rubber with a reinforced steel hub, it's designed to withstand heavy use without damaging your equipment. The uniform diameter makes it easy to load onto your barbell, and the rubber coating really helps prevent scratches and dents on your floor. Plus, Cap Barbell has been in the fitness game for over 30 years, so you know they have the credibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to build muscle and burn calories, these plates are great for various exercises, from squats to deadlifts. They maintain their grip and fit snugly on Olympic barbells, which is crucial for safety. Now, some people complained about the weight being slightly off. Here's the thing though, this is pretty common with budget plates, and unless you're a competitive lifter, it likely won't affect your workout too much. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want to add some basic weights to your routine. Skip this one if you're a seasoned lifter seeking precision weights. For the price, you're getting reliable quality. Now, if the weight discrepancy bothered you, this next one takes the completely different approach.
Product number 2, Weight Plate Rack by Eonker. I came across the Weight Plate Rack by Eonker, priced at $39.99. It's not just a rack, it's essential for keeping your home gym organized, and that's something you want to consider. This rack holds up to 300 pounds and features a compact triangular design that fits well in smaller spaces. The black powder coat finish and sturdy steel construction mean it's built to last, handling the weight without wobbling. It's designed with 5 posts, providing dedicated storage for all your plates, making it super easy to grab the exact weight you need without a hassle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever tripped over scouted weights or struggled to find the right plate, this rack can save you frustration and potentially injuries. Keeping your space tidy can also motivate you to work out more. Now, some users mentioned that assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's solid and won't need to be fiddled with again. This is perfect for you if you have limited space and want to keep your weights organized. Skip this if you prefer something that requires no assembly at all. For the price, it's a worthwhile investment for any home gym. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance of durability and versatility.
Product number 3, Cap Barbell 30-pound bumper plate. Another offering from Cap Barbell, the 30-pound bumper plate, priced at $36.99. If you're looking for something a bit heavier, this is definitely worth a serious look. The construction is similar to the 20-pound version, made from a mix of virgin and recycled rubber, and it promises durability. The balanced weight and uniform diameter mean you can stack these easily and safely on your barbell. They have a steel insert that keeps everything secure, which is key when you're lifting heavy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The heavier weight means you can push your limits, whether you're into Olympic lifts or just want to boost your general strength training. Plus, Cap's reputation for quality gives you peace of mind. Now, some folks mention they wish these plates had more color options. Here's the thing though, if you care about functionality over aesthetics, these will do the job perfectly. This is perfect for you if you're ready to increase your lifting game. Skip this if you're not ready to handle heavier weights just yet. For the price, it's a solid addition to your collection. Now, if the color options bothered you, this next product brings some diversity to the table.
Product number 4, Cap Barbell 45-pound bumper plate. The Cap Barbell 45-pound bumper plate is the heavyweight champion of the group, and while I don't have a listed price, it's worth considering if you're serious about your gains. This plate's construction is identical to the others. It features a durable rubber coating that prevents floor damage and a secure steel insert. The 45-pound weight is perfect for those who are looking to really challenge themselves, and it's designed for Olympic barbells. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Adding 45-pound plates allows for heavier lifts, which can lead to quicker strength gains. If you're looking to bulk up, these are a must-have. Now, some users might find the price a bit steep compared to lighter versions. Here's the thing though, investing in higher weights now can save you from having to buy them later as you progress. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced lifter seeking to take your workouts to the next level.
Skip this if you're just starting out or if you're not ready for heavy weights. It's a good investment for serious lifters. Now, if you're looking for something a little different, let's check out our next option that offers a unique design.
Product number 5, RitFit Rubber Grip Plates. We have the RitFit Rubber Grip Plates, priced at $29.99. What's cool about these is their design, which makes them really user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned lifters. These plates come in various sizes, from 2.5 pounds to 45 pounds, allowing for a tailored workout experience. The solid iron core with a rubber surface is ideal for protecting your floors and minimizing damage. The 3 grip holes make it easy to handle the plates, which is great if you want to use them for exercises that don't involve a barbell. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're doing strength training or balance exercises, the versatility of these plates can enhance your workouts. They're also practical for at-home use, making them a solid choice for anyone looking to get fit. Now, some reviews mention that they felt less durable compared to thicker plates. Here's the thing, if you're using them for typical home workouts and not dropping them repeatedly, they should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible weight set for various exercises. Skip this if you need ultra-durable competition-level plates. For the price, you're getting solid value and versatility. So, to wrap it up, we've covered a range of options, from the budget-friendly Cap Barbell 20-pound plates to the robust 45-pound options, and the versatile RitFit rubber grip plates. Each one has its strengths, so think about what you need most in your home gym. Whether you're just getting started or looking to push your limits, there's something here for everyone.